left lane on the Autobahn, fast like Ramadan. Had to battle young Padawans all the damn day. I'm getting naked and I'm hopping on a rag, I'm so hot I got the motherfucker a la flambe. I go to Miley's house, I see that Miley's home. I play Miley's ribcage with my dick like it's a xylophone. Yes, that was highly fucked up, but my skills are highly honed. And if I was highly hyphy, I might be more widely known. C'est la vie, better pay my fee. They kick it in Seattle in a Patagonia jacket, they get it in the Bay in a plain white tee. Hey mommy, you're P1T. Wanna see me speak, then I go. Every time I get a beat, I know I gotta beat it up, I bend it, then I break it, then I chop it, then I eat it up. And Peter would never approve of the way I've been treating the music. I bleed it, I bruise it, I kick it to the curb, and then I'm sipping on my bourbon. I be freaking it, doing it, keeping it moving. I'm picking apart the muscle when I'm thinking about the hustle, but I'm nice.